Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to make this eggless salad recipe, which is so easy to make and requires just few ingredients. Let's get started. I have my knife here. I have my cabbage, spring onions, green bell pepper, carrots, and some onion. I'll chop this into smaller pieces, and after which I'll combine everything and stir it well. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my old subscribers, I'm always happy to see your comments in the comment section. You can see my salad is turning out beautifully by just adding my spring onions. I have other salad recipes on this channel which you can just go through my videos and watch. I also have awesome videos on some food preparations such as fried rice, jollof, tuwo zafi, tubani, and other meals. You can check on this channel and you get all these videos to watch. This is my carrot that I'm going to chop into smaller pieces, and I'll just add it into it. This gives it a very nice outcome. You can see the orange color that is just brightening everything. So I'm adding some olive oil and white vinegar, and I'll just mix everything before I go ahead to add my mayonnaise into it. Isn't this so beautiful? And I bet you that the taste is just awesome. I have forgotten to add my salt, and after adding my mayonnaise, I'll add some salt into my salad. Please do well to try this, and I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section after you have made some for yourself. So this is the sauce I just added, and I've given it a very quick stir. Now I'm scooping my salad into this disposable plastic containers. With this, I'm going to serve it with jollof rice, and I bet you it's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I know you'll go through my other videos and watch them equally. Have a wonderful time. Bye.